Hey everyone, welcome to the 20-second Easy Excel tutorial, part of easyprogramming.net. Over the next few videos, I want to introduce parts of Excel where some logic may be involved. Many videos ago, I mentioned that Excel has quite a few concepts similar to programming, and there are many types of logic that you can apply to formulas in Excel, and these are just a few of them. The next few videos will cover the functions called AND, OR, NOT, and IF. I have little spreadsheets here already to show you. Today I want to cover just the AND function, just to introduce some of the logic to you. Once you understand AND, OR and NOT will be really easy. If statements are a little bit more complex, but they're also very easy and very fun to know. So the AND function, it only returns one of two values, either true or false. If a statement matches every logic in the formula, it returns a true. If any one of the logic is not matched, then it returns a false. You may have seen a similar chart elsewhere showing you how certain combinations of logic are seen. This is for the AND function. It tells you that it will only return a true if both arguments are true, where if one argument is false anywhere, either the column or the row, it's false, and if they're both false, of course, it's going to return false. So this is true whether you have two arguments like I have here or 1,000. So you can have a logic of thousands of you can have an AND statement with thousands of logic, and it'll return true or false depending on what you ask of it. So let's get started. I have a spreadsheet here, and I took the liberty of inserting some dummy numbers here. The column headers here show you the type of logic I'll be applying, and we'll use the AND functions just to see what they do. So the first one here, as always, start out your function with an equal sign, and if you start typing an AND, it gives you a little preview, and it says checks whether all arguments are true and returns true if all arguments are true. The keyword here is all. So if any one is false, then it won't work. In this first column here, I'll only do one logic. It gives you a little preview here, and once you start the formula, it says logical 1, logical 2, etc. It goes on forever. So we'll just to see if value 2, right, and B2 is greater than A2. So if it's greater than A2, it'll return a true. So let's try this. Just one logic. Easy, right? True. There we go. Let's just autofill the rest. So false, true. You can double check this yourself, so it's all correct. This is false. Why? Because B is not greater than A. Makes sense? It's equal. It's not equal to or greater than. Let's do one here. This is a little bit more complex. It has two logics. As I said before, it doesn't have to be two logics. It can be as many as you want. So let's do AND. So let's say if B2 is greater than E2, A2, and so you separate each logic with a comma, and it gives you another option here, logical 3. So we'll do again AND B2 is greater than or equal to 150. Right? That's all you need. For the operators that we're using, the comparison operators, I put them here just as a little reference point. I've shown you this before in greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, and not. I put a little note next to that as well. So what do you think this will be? This will be true, right? There you go. Because B2 is greater than A2 and it is equal to 150. So let's do it. So we should only get true in a few of these. So true. So false, true, yes. True, true, yes. And even though some of these are bigger than the ones to the left, they are not true. Okay. See, you can have two or more than two. Let's just do one with a not, just for extra practice. We'll just do AND again. We'll do that B2 is greater than A2, comma, and it's not equal to 150. So we'll do B2 is not, it's not an exclamation point like other programming languages, and it's not equal to 150, right? So this one will be a false because value of B2 is already 150. So anything that has 150 will be automatically false because that's one of the conditions. So we only have 3 truths. So this is B is greater than A, and it is not 150, correct. 85 is greater than 65, and it's not 150, and 15 is greater than 11, it's not 150. Easy, right? Yep. In the next video, I will cover OR statements. OR statements are similar and I would say a little bit easier to understand, and not is the easiest. So until next time, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I'm more than happy to help you. And visit my website at easyprogramming.net.